it's Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace or clean the cabin air filter in an ND Miata. Yeah, I know it's just a screen, but it's not blowing as well on fresh air as it used to, and I kind of smelled something when I turned it on this morning. It wasn't too nice. Yeah. Step one, remove the side trim on the passenger side, the right side. Pull, lift. It's that easy. Step two, using a small screwdriver. Remove the pin here. And pull this panel out. What's the trick? See the rubber? Pull that out. That gives you access to this 10 mil. Now you're going to want to pull forward. Now be aware that there's some overlap here. So you got to pull it forward, then you want to bring this forward and down. That'll let you pull this piece out completely. All right, so to remove these, we'll start with the one that's probably going to give you the most trouble. It's actually easy. Right here at the top, which you can't see, push down, pull out. This one here is on the right side. This one on the top. This one on the top. This one also on the top. Now they're out. They don't make this easy. So yeah, there we go. So I got that one. Get that one again. Pull that out. Oh yeah. Can you see what I see? Oh, that's nasty. Do I hear mice squeaking? Sorry, afraid you probably can't see a whole lot. So there's the screen. See all that crap? That's mice. Yeah, unfortunately they don't block it from the top. I'm gonna have to pull all that out. So once you've cleaned yours out, go ahead and put the screen back in. You might want to vacuum the screen out or something if there's any in there. And the putting it back together is just the opposite. So the only tricky part I found when putting it back together is because we did not remove the A-pillar thing is right here. When you go to put this piece back on, slide it behind here first. Get that hook that's in there. Get that done first, then clip it along. Also, before you put it all back together, once you've plugged it in, I do suggest that you test it, make sure everything's working. Well, that was what was up in there. Yeah, those are in fact two dead little tiny baby mice. That's why it wasn't blowing, and that's why it stunk. Be sure to clean that good. Might want to use some Lysol. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.